Namaste Gurukulian. I hope all of you are healthy at your home. So today again we are here. It is the third chapter of +1 class, physical fitness, wellness and lifestyle. And it is first part, fitness. 3 words are there. Fitness, wellness, lifestyle. Today we will do these 3 words. We will understand their definition and what is the criteria, what is the area in this field, what is the importance of fitness, wellness and lifestyle for individual or for a group or for our society. These things, if I talk about the fitness related to our physique, wellness, physique plus health, and lifestyle, way of living life. It is the general thing, but deeply we will discuss about these 3 words: fitness, wellness and lifestyle. What is the importance, what is the significance of this word? At first, physical fitness. Physical fitness. Physical fitness it is a state. It is a state of physical health. Physical health characterized with smooth functioning, it is the state of physical health characterized with smooth functioning of body, absence of illness, smooth functioning of body, absence of illness, and good immune system. Good immune system means smooth functioning of body means all the organs which are inside our structure and outer functioning also, both should be good. Absence of illness means there should be no any disease, and good immune system means rog pratirodhak kshamta, means fighting against the general or that risky disease. That should be very good. Good immune system, or one more we can say, good mental health. If mental health is good, automatically the functioning of body become very smooth. Absence of illness means if we are doing physical work, physical activity, if functioning is very smooth, automatically there is a no disease. Good immune system also that create a good immunity of individual that fight against the diseases, and good mental health. Another one definition, according to and Frank, what they are saying? They are saying physical fitness is state of well-being with low risk of premature health risk and energy to participate in various physical activity. Physical fitness is state of well-being physical fitness is state of well-being and well-being with low risk of premature health risk and good participation in various physical activity and good participation in various physical activity. Here good means we can say energetic या energy. Physical fitness is state of well-being related with healthy and physically fit with low risk of premature health risk. Premature health risk like if a person is not doing proper physical activity, mean obesity take place in the body of individual, obesity, motapa. Cause of that many premature health risks are there like diabetes, postural deformity, cardiovascular disease related to the heart, cholesterol problem like this, and good participation in various physical activity. Or one more thing, without fatigue, बिना थके they participate in physical activity, that is called physical fitness. One more is there, according to Krauss, he said successful adaptation in one's life, coping with all stress, successful adaptation to the stresses, successful adaptation to the stresses one's life or lifestyle. Here what he want to say, that successful adaptation means successfully to accept the environmental condition. Environmental, not only natural environment like summer season, winter season, rainy season. Accept that social environment is also there, family environment is also there, or even lots of other socio stress are there, like many incident, accident or other type of activity a individual adapt easily. We know stresses are there in our life, different type or many type of stresses are there, or many type of stress we face in our lifestyle. Even we can get knowledge from the elder persons. So these stress, how we cope with all of these stresses, that's matter. If we tolerate, we cope with these stresses easily, it means our physical health is good. Or if we are not adapting that stress or that situation, that environment condition on that time also, that our that health or physical fitness is not good. If we adapt easily, it means our physical health is good. If I talk about what is the importance of physical fitness, at first we have to know about the component of physical fitness. That components must be efficient or healthy. If that components, that level of these components is lack or a individual lacking, it means that he is not physical fit. If I talk about first one is strength. Strength, you know, three type of strengths are there: explosive strength, maximum strength, or strength endurance. Second one is endurance. Endurance also that 2-3 type: long term endurance, short term endurance. Third one is speed. Fourth one is flexibility. Fifth one is agility. Or nowadays that agility we can say coordination. Coordination related to nervous system, that neuromuscular coordination, strength, endurance, speed, flexibility, agility, or coordination. These must be fit and fine. If these components are not in appropriate or optimal manner, it means we are lacking somewhere in our physical fitness. Or importance of physical fitness, you know that if we are fit and fine, easily we can tackle any work. There should be no disease. Our immune system become very good. Our cardiovascular system become very good. That work of our heart, it is very efficient. Size of heart increase. It through the more blood through aorta in one stroke. Many more things. Even nervous system, immune system, cardiovascular system, digestive system, excretory system, blood, respiratory system, all system become very good if we are doing physical activity. Or if these all systems are good, it means muscular system, endurance related to respiratory or cardiovascular, speed related to our muscular plus nervous system, flexibility related to our muscle mobility or that range of the joint, and agility related to the reaction, coordination, a sudden move, that is related to agility. Next one is there wellness. Simple thing, I told you that wellness related to good health. If an individual is healthy, it means he is a well-being. Means wellness is related to healthy and feeling of well-being. Healthy and feeling of well-being. Well-being, it is called wellness. Or second one thing, it is also a definition, we can say healthy and feeling of well-being. फील करना एक अपनी हेल्थ को, द कंडीशन ऑफ योर हेल्थ मीन देर इज नो प्रॉब्लम with our health, any of the work, any of the situation we can tackle easily, or we are physically also well or mentally also well. It means it is the total meaning of wellness, not related only with physique work if mentally we are good. If mentally some problems are there, then many disorder we will see in the individual. So both are the part of one coin. Okay, quality of well-being called wellness, all related to the health. Quality of well-being called wellness, quality of or one more, wellness is considered the optimal state of health, being healthy. Quality of being healthy called wellness. Wellness is considered the optimal state of health, means appropriate. How much is demand, that body responding according to that, according to demand. Optimal, appropriate, adequate level of health is called wellness. There should be no disease. Totally, if we talk about the conclusion, that wellness related to good health, wellness run around the health, related to our health. Physical fitness, that physique, related to physique. Wellness related to health means there should be no disease. Wellness, many, if we talk about the wellness made up of many dimensions. We will do wellness it's made up of multiple dimension. What is these multiple things? If I talk about first one, physical wellness, physically must be good. Mental wellness, mentally a individual must be healthy. Emotional wellness, economical wellness, social wellness, Another one we can say environmental wellness. Physical wellness, mental wellness, emotional wellness, economical wellness, social wellness, environment, spiritual. These 6 7s are there. One more, occupational. Occupational wellness. Here physical wellness means physically must be fit, mentally there should be no depression, no stress, no anxiety, even related to depression. Emotionally control. Economically he must be appropriate according to society, means the individual must have money to live his life happily. Social wellness means social involvement of the individual must be there. If a person not involved in social works, it means he is little bit separate from the society, and a thinking that people those are around the individual, they consider him a separatist we can say, who is not involving in all the activity, means who is not involving with the good things. Whenever a celebration is there, the person is not involved in that activity, it means the person is not social well. Environmental wellness means the person must be aware regarding the environment, regarding the pollution. He must be take care of the environmental condition. Spiritual wellness means the person must be spiritual, but not this much high that he is believing in superstitions, andhvishwas mein believe karna. Okay, everyone know that there is a power, cause of that power the system is working, so he must be believe in that power, not in superstition that going here and there, that we can say in Hindi jhad phook. Occupational wellness means what is the work the individual is doing. That occupational means the work must be good and fine for the individual, that is called occupational wellness. Last one is there, it is lifestyle. Lifestyle simply we say way of living life, means the person live his life. What is the way of talking, what is the way of walking, what is the way of doing any work that reflect the individual's personality, that is called lifestyle. It must be positive. It must be positive. Positive means there should be there shouldn't any type of bad habit like alcoholic, like smoking, or he must not involve in the bad activity like checking the lust literature. If I talk about the adolescent period, from that period our life started, we enter in the professionalism. Importance of positive lifestyle. If I talk about the importance of positive lifestyle, means it improve the longevity, means increase the age. Second one thing, through positive lifestyle we can increase our health, means we involve in the physical activity, we do yoga, or we divide our whole day schedule part wise, like in the morning time a individual fix his time and he get up at that time, then he will do exercise, then he take bath, then he dress up, then he take breakfast, means every work of his life he will do in proper time. That is called positive lifestyle. If I talk about the importance, means it's increase longevity, age. Second one thing, increase energy level. Third one thing, help to reduce the depression. Help to reduce the depression. Increase physical fitness. Reduce the depression means depression cause many type of bad habit, many type of bad work, even we can say bad deeds, बुरे काम, that is cause depression. Sometimes we didn't get success. If we have a positive lifestyle, the way of life living positively, then depression not take place in our behavior, in our lifestyle. Increase physical fitness means we divide our time, like in the morning daily the individual do physical activity, that increase the physical fitness, because physical training, even morning or evening physical exercise are the part of positive lifestyle. Next one is, if physically fitness is there, it's improve the posture. Next one, increase confidence. Easily cope with stress. And last one, help to prevent from disease. Increase confidence, if a person living his lifestyle positively. Cope with stress. Stress means what is the condition. Many times a stressful condition came in front of individual. Easily if he tackle that condition or cross that stressful situation, that is called easily cope with stress. Help to prevent from disease means a person who is living his lifestyle life with positive lifestyle, automatically he become healthy, immune system must become very good, or that prevent him from the general or that risk of premature disease prevention. So for today this much, physical fitness, wellness and lifestyle. Today we complete these three: fitness, wellness and lifestyle. Wellness, healthy and feeling of well-being. Lifestyle, way of living life, or it must be positive, so it's called positive lifestyle. Importance of positive lifestyle: increase longevity, age, increase energy level, help to reduce the depression, increase physical fitness, improve posture means there no posture deformity take place in the individual. Posture deformity take place when there is our lifestyle is dull means we don't know how to sit when we have to eat, take our meal. We don't know how to sit in the class when teacher is teaching, means A bad posture we accept during this activity. Even we don't know how to carry a bag, okay, carry the things. We don't know how to put up the heavy things. That things bring the posture deformity. Or main thing, if we live with dull lifestyle, means bad habits, bad eating habits, alcoholic, smoking, that increase the level of obesity, motapa. If obesity is there, then pressure goes on our skeletal system. हमारी bones के ऊपर वो pressure चला जाता है. Cause of that, the shape of bone, that shape of bone changed. Means like our feet become flat, our knee become knock knee, bow leg. Spinal curvature, if I talk about carrying a bag, sitting position, if it is not good, means spinal curvature take place like kyphosis, lordosis, scoliosis. It is related to the posture. Increase confidence, easily cope with stress, help to prevent from the disease. These are the importance of positive lifestyle. So check the video properly, watch it or write down the important things. तब तक के लिए सभी को नमस्ते. टेक केयर ऑफ योर हेल्थ. थैंक यू.